I noticed, Your Honor, that there was a substitution of counsel on the part of the defense.
May I reply, Your Honor?
Yes, please.
Accidentally enough, Mr. Counsel, I am the lead counsel of the Chief Justice. And I can take over any time with the permission from the Honorable Court. Is there any violation of any rule?
Unfortunately, the rules...
What the rules provide is if at the same time 2 or more. If it is one by one, there is nothing mentioned.
I have to stop this. You are quibbling with inconsequential matter.
Yes.
We
It doesn't
submit, Your
matter
Honor.
whether the one that asked the question is either way. The panel of defense is there, the panel of prosecutors there. You deal with the witness.
We submit,
You
Your
are
Honor.
delaying the proceeding.
We apologize, Your Honor.
Stop this thing so that we can proceed.
I have a pending question with the witness.
Go ahead.
Did Mr. Corona file or did he not file the required sworn statement under Articles 202 and 203 of the Local Government Code with respect to his properties in Taguig City?
Your Honor, please, it assumes a question
Witness may answer if he knows.
As of today, I have no knowledge about
Oppose.
the Chief Justice files
Can
his own
you,
statement.
Mr. Witness, can you please make a definitive answer?
Well, as of today, he does not know. Don't press an answer of knowledge when the witness has already said, as of today, he does not know.
Your Honor, may we allow the witness to go back to his office and come back maybe on Monday and bring a certification that there is no such filing on the part of the Chief Justice, or if there is one, please bring a copy of the sworn statement.
Your Honor, please, may I be allowed?
Yes, please.
All right. Your Honor, please, that assumes a situation where the procedure being laid down by the Honorable Counsel, Your Honor, is supposed to be mandatorily or to be observed in all cases, Your Honor. What the law says, if the owner or the administrator fail to make the necessary declaration under oath within 60 days after the acquisition, Your Honor, then the office of the assessor can continue with the proceedings and make the assessment instead of the owner or the administrator, Your Honor. Why will there be a necessity? There is no procedure that is outlined for that purpose, Your Honor. That is an arrogation of the power that do not belong to this witness, Your Honor.
May I respond to that very briefly,
Yes,
Your
go
Honor?
ahead.
The Local Government Code mandates it's not an option on the part of the owner, because the wording is, it shall be the duty. It's a mandatory provision, Your Honor.
What is the, may we know the purpose? I was telling you, Your Honor, that it is directed towards...
Are you, counsel, disputing the accuracy of the assessment issued on these units by the city assessor of Taguig?
Your Honor, there is a big discrepancy between the market
Well,
value.
then, if you have the evidence, produce it to confront the witness. You are on cross-examination.
The permission of the Honorable Senate
You
President.
know, that is the proper thing to do. If you want to, you are confronting this witness by cross-examination without the necessary basis.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we approach the witness, Mr. President?
Please.
No, you may be violating the rule that was read by... He was citing the rule.
The Senate President just said that we are allowed.
No, you can approach, but there was no statement that you can... I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
The prosecution approach the witness.
Mr. Witness, showing to you Exhibit 151. There is an entry here. Supposed entries where it states sworn statement of honor. Now, below, it says here, will you please read what it says there?
Sworn statement of owner. Under the provision of Republic Act 7160, I hereby certify that the current and fair market value of the foregoing described property, of which I am the owner administrator, is to the best of my knowledge and belief as follows.
Thank you. Is there any signature in this requirement of entry to be sworn to by the owner?
Admitted, there is none, Your Honor.
The document will speak
Ilan ito?
for itself if there is a signature or there is none. So,
May you review all the other exhibits of tax declarations that you have testified to here before the Honorable Senate and inform us if there is any signed declaration made by the owner. I'll refer you to 152. Pakitignan mo yung tax. Unless the defense will admit that there are no signatures of the
May we know the question, Your Honor? And there also.
other
sorry.
tax declarations. Justice.
The question.
If
Your
the,
question.
if the Chief Justice signed the declaration.
Tingnan mo. Declaration. May we clarify, Your Honor? Declaration with respect to what property? Because there are 3 properties involved here, Your Honor.
156.
Yeah, but what property is that? Anong property?
This is the makibasa anong property.
This is the McKinley Hill property, Your Honor.
At the back portion, is there any signature made by the declarant owner?
Sandun yun. Wala.
There is none, Your Honor.
all right, there's none.
156.
Next.
May the world may-ari.
157. Can you also look at the rear portion and inform the Honorable Court if there is any signature of the declarant owner of the property?
There's no signature, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
You know, what is the materiality of that?
Yeah.
The Article 2 deals with, you are presenting all of these documents under Article 2. The Article 2 of the Articles of Impeachment deals with the inclusion, disclosure, and non-inclusion of assets, isn't it?
That's correct, Your Honor.
If all of those assets were included in the SAL, and so
The complaint holds no water.
there's compliance with the required with Article 2. Now you must show that the asset is not included, then we will allow.
May I say something, Your Honor?
Oh, go ahead.
The SALN requires not only filing, but also that you file accurate entries in the SALN. And we are directly questioning the entries for their truthfulness and accuracy.
Then
because-
you produce that. You produce that. It is already established. The values are established in the declaration. Now you want to challenge the entries in this declaration, produce the evidence to controvert it.
We already did, Your Honor.
Where
because-
is it?
Because we have presented the various deeds of absolute sale covering these properties.
Then let those stay in the record. Make your summation at the proper time.
Correct, Your Honor.
You are arguing about values here. We will never end this hearing if that is your procedure. So ordered. Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, as part of your functions as City Assessor of Taguig, and as part of your functions in issuing tax declarations, are you also informed about the deeds of absolute sale involving the properties under your jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor. It is part of the requirements before transactions been made.
All right. So, for the Bellagio, you would have known, as part of your functions as City Assessor, I'm referring to Exhibit Quadruple A, Your Honor, that the purchase price of the Bellagio is 14,510,225
That is per deed of sale.
per deed of sale, Your
All
Honor.
right.
Whereas, the value indicated in your tax declaration, assessed value of 3,928,320 and market value of only 6,547,200. Will you confirm, Mr. Witness, that the value indicated in your tax declaration is substantially lower than the acquisition cost of this Bellagio property?
Admitted, Your Honor.
Yes.
The documents
Yes,
speak for themselves.
the best evidence. will be-
Is that the case, Your Honor,
It's
also
already
for...
admitted by the prosecutor, by the defense.
Thank you, Justice. But may I ask you, please, if that admission also holds true for the property at Bonifacio Ridge, Spanish Bay Tower, and also the McKinley Hill property?
There is no definite statement, Your Honor, that we can either deny or affirm. May we be informed, Your Honor?
Well, you go over.
Then
the-
may I continue, Your Honor?
Yeah, go ahead.
For Bonifacio Ridge, Mr. Assessor, per contract dated October 14, 2005, the selling price is 9,159,940, whereas in the